strong joint action plans on road safety. As you all know, road traffic accidents are one of the major causes of loss of precious lives, and it also results in serious injuries. Ladies and gentlemen, what worries me the most is the fact that there are the biggest killer of young people worldwide, the road accidents. We can no longer accept this global menace in larger public interest. The pressure on road infrastructure is increasing day by day because other means of transport are relatively inefficient. Hence, ensuring effective road safety measures are essential for socio-economic development. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan's current road infrastructure comprises of total 500,750 kilometers, which includes expressways, highways, local roads, metro roads, motorways, and primary and secondary roads. The government of Pakistan is also cognizant of this fact and included 50 projects in the National Highways Authority portfolio in the current development program for the fiscal year 2023, with a total allocation of 118.4 billion rupees to provide safe, modern, and efficient transportation system in the country. Till fiscal year 2022, total vehicles on roads are estimated to be around 34 million, which are increasing rapidly as the middle class is growing in the country over the last few years. The political party Pakistan Muslim League N, to which I belong, in its tenure in the early 90s, started the road infrastructure development through initiating a motorway project known as M2, which is between the cities of Lahore and Islamabad. This initiative was later on expanded throughout the country, and by now